So today's video is curly hair must-have. So these are the tools that we use in the natural hair community that just makes taking care of our hair easier. So one of the curly hair must-haves are these butterfly clips. I got these from Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. And I got them from Dollar Tree like a year ago. And I thought, maybe they would break by now, but none of them have broken. These are literally the best. Like, put up some of your hair to the side and you're like working in sections and stuff. Y'all, butterfly clips make your life so much easier. Another curly hair must-have is the bonnet. Y'all already know we need a bonnet, satin pillowcase, a scarf, whatever. I got this from Dollar Tree for $1. Go pick you up one. No excuses, sis. Protect your hair. Another curly hair must-have, I would have to say this brush or something similar. Like when I tell y'all, when I decondition my hair and this thoroughly gets the deep conditioner all through my hair, like y'all, the game has changed. Another curly hair must-have is the spray bottle. Y'all already know you need this. Like, who's really about to wet their hair entirely again? So much easier to wet your hair before styling it or give it a refresher, and it dries up much faster when you use a spray bottle. Also get it from like the travel section. They'll have like smaller bottles like this that you can use. That's what I was using for a long time. So I would say another curly hair must-have would be this applicator. I got this from Sally's and it's perfect for your oils if you like doing a hot oil treatment, or you just want to oil your scalp, or if you just want to oil your ends. I feel like it's easier to use in this bottle. The next curly hair must-have are these, you guys, Team No Rubber Bands. You guys use these. I got these from Walmart, I think like 88 cents. You can get them from other places. And I know they said don't use the one with a metal clip. So if it has a metal clip, don't use it because it can like snag and tug at your hair. So make sure that you use one similar to this. Elastics are your best friend. So another curly hair must-have, I would say, have to be a scrunchie. Like, these are just so convenient and you can use them whenever. I use them more so in the house, like when I'm chilling or something. I really like scrunchies, y'all. I wouldn't even say this is a must-have, but it's a must-have for me. So I think y'all will like it too. Another curly hair must-have would have to be bobby pins. I'm definitely running out, but you never know when you might need, some bobby pins for something. And, with all these curly hairstyles out here and things like that, like, bobby pins definitely come in handy. So another curly hair must-have has to be the pick. Y'all, it took me forever to get one, but I finally got one. And I would honestly say I don't use it for volume. For some reason, I'm not really feeling the volume like I used to with my hair. But that's mainly what it's for, is volume. So if you love volume, girl, you gotta get you a pick, girl. I just use it to scratch. Like, it really gets in there. Like when I'm just, whoo. So another curly hair must-have would be these combs here. I believe they're called the rat tail combs, which is actually a funny name. Why do they call it that? You can get this, like one like this, from your local beauty supply store. It'd be like 75 cents or something. But these come in handy when you're like parting your hair. It helps have your part straighter and neater. Also, when you're wearing your hair straight, like, you just can comb through and get everything nice and flat. So another curly hair must-have, I would say, would be this brush right here. Growing up, I used to call it like the boy brush because they use it for their waves and stuff. I usually like this because, like, if I'm wearing my hair like this, and it's easy to, just slick down and go about my day. And plus, this can fit in like a purse or a bag or something. And I usually like the bristles to be really soft, but this is like one of the soft ones though. I don't get the real hard ones, but I think that this is definitely a staple and I really like it. So I hope you enjoyed this video of my curly hair must-haves, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. You know what I think is lame? I should do a video on YouTubers mishaps, like things that just grind our gears. Like when you think you're recording and you're not recording, the worst. Or when you're recording, then you run out of space, the worst. Or when you record a dope video and you go back and try and find it and then you delete it by mistake and it was like the perfect video and it's better than all the videos to date. That's me right now. The struggle was so real. I was so funny in that video. It was so perfect. I looked so cute. And then I went to look for it. I'm like, dang, I can't find it. I'm so sad, y'all. Drink your water. You can go to the gym. Love yourself.